Mr. Sumansi Raman, since you said that this is the BJP's police and they were the ones who failed, now I want you to listen, sir, to the BJP's police, which made the first SOS call when they were trapped inside a police station and this murderous mob was standing outside. I'm going to play out for you that phone conversation between two policemen where they are terrified because the mob is standing outside, armed, arsonists, baying for their blood. Listen to this.
ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಪಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನು ಆತ್ಮರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡೋ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೋ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
That Syed Aslam Pasha is a cop who is practically in tears. He's saying, sir, save us. What do we do? They are outside. Please save us. You will do something. Please help us. And this police apparently is the aggressor. This police is to blame, according to Sumansi Raman.
Well, Padmaja, first of all, at the outset, I would want to unequivocally condemn the violence and the riot which has happened. There is no one would defend it. No sane human being would ever defend this.
That's nonsense.
And also, let me tell you,
I'm sorry, that's complete nonsense. Apologize. I never ever said police is to blame.
Sir, you just said it is a BJP state and the BJP's police should have controlled. That is exactly what you said. You want me to play back what you said? I will do that as well.
Play it back.
Really? Okay, I will play it back for you. I will play it back for you. I will play back what you said.
Police corrected it because it was a slip. I said BJP government police in the very next word. And I said, they are doing an inquiry. Why don't you give them time? That is exactly what I said.
So it was a slip.
Different.
All right. So it was a slip according to you. All right. I will grant you your slip.
Not a slip. I said it very clearly that they are doing the inquiry, and what is your problem in allowing them to do the inquiry? And you are
because that same police, okay, so you trust the police? That same police has arrested Muzammil Pasha. Now will you accept that the SDPI is to blame? The same police has arrested. I am not saying it. The Bengaluru police has arrested these people. Now what? Oh, so you wait for the charge sheet, sir? Why even wait for the charge sheet? You should wait for the conviction. You should wait for the conviction. Until then, so Mr. Sumansi Raman, just to make it clear, just a second, Syed Aslam Pasha. Mr. Sumansi Raman, just to make it clear, from here on, you will only express an opinion about any case after the charge sheet has been filed and the people have been named. I am going to hold you to it. So the next time some crime is committed, please do not come on TV and say so-and-so is responsible, so-and-so is responsible the same day or the day after. Wait for the charge sheets on those days as well, because you have a very specific view on when something should be discussed as a crime. All right, Syed Aslam Pasha, go on. Syed Aslam Pasha, I actually want to come to you with a specific question. You had Mr. Kumaraswamy, HD Kumaraswamy today said, such incidents indicate this is a pre-planned attack, an explosion of people's frustration because of nepotism by local representatives. Nepotism? Is this what you want to boil it all down to? Not some naked orgy of violence, but an outburst of frustration. Sir, we all have our frustrations. We've been locked in our houses in lockdown. Doesn't mean one day I get frustrated and I run around setting things on fire.
No, absolutely not. I think you're picking up one tweet. There were a series of tweets which were done by Mr. Kumaraswamy. In the first tweet, he unequivocally condemned the violence. No one would support the riots. No sane person would support the riots. And also the law should take its own course. The police is investigating. They've arrested the people who are involved. The rioters should be punished. We unequivocally, he said that we condemn them. Having said that, in the same breath, we also condemn the post which was put by Naveen Right? He has been arrested. The law will take its
The
own
post
course. No one would
is
support,
reprehensible.
No one would support the Roy.
Okay, the post is reprehensible. Does that justify the
Absolutely
violence?
it is.
If
Absolutely.
somebody is offended,
Definitely not.
if somebody is
Definitely not.
offended,
Nobody
can
is
they run
defending the
around
violence.
breaking and burning things?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Nobody is defending this. We have, at the outset, I have told you that we condemn this in the highest voice. We don't support the violence at all.
Mr.
But having said
Dhananjay,
that, the
even
law
the
is
JDS
taken
agrees.
now.
Even the JDS agrees that there can be no rationalization of violence. Will you stop now? You know what the irony is? That yesterday,
No, we
Rizwan
condemn
Arshad,
we'll
the
condemn the
MLA,
incident.
who went to the spot,
No,
who
we
incidentally
clearly
was
condemn the
attacked,
incident.
he was injured.
We don't want to attach any political parties. Whoever is involved, police has to investigate, arrest them.
You don't want to attack any political party. Why am I not surprised?
Punish under the provisions
Why am I
of
not
IPC.
surprised? The BJP is saying that this is
No,
basically appeasement
what I like
politics.
to tell you,
You
madam,
don't
it
want
is
to
the duty
address
of
a political
investigating
party because
officer.
you're
I can't
scared.
name it somebody.
You're scared of damaging
If
your
you-
vote
if you
bank.
got any-
Now,